Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna be playing we can say that royale classic. And I'm a cheerleader and my name is Annie and I came here to, like I wanted someone join my cheerleader group. So yeah. Let's go for some people who can be my cheerleader group. Let's see. So guys, I better find some more cheerleader people who can be my group too. So I guess so. Let's see. Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty. Hello, pretty. Excuse me. I think I shouldn't watch that. Okay. Is that a word? Okay. This is getting more worse. Okay. Let's see. Hey. Hi. You're so mean. I need some people who can be my cheerleader group. What about this girl? This girl is cool. Why are this name like cute, pretty? Hi, hi, cute. Wanna join our cheer tryouts after school? Wanna join a cheer tryouts after school? Wanna join a cheer tryouts after school? Anyone? Yes. Oh, she wants. Wear this uniform. Okay, wear this uniform after school. After school. Come in yard. Come in yard. Come in yard. Okay, see ya, girls. Okay, good. Okay, see ya. Okay, see ya. I better find more people though. Can we find three? Okay, we find three. Okay, so who can I make find next? I better find more people, guys. Like, come on. Like, this much people is just not. Okay, so we got this too. I'm not sure about that girl. I guess she already went. Let's go find down and see if there's anyone else. Nope, there's no one here. Who wants to? Oh, I can see someone. Two people down right there. I guess. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's mid class. I see. Let's see if anyone can join my cheer groups in the simple. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Wanna join our cheer tryouts after school? Wanna join our cheer tryouts after school? Sure. Okay, wear this uniform. Okay, wear this uniform after school to school and come in yard come in yard and come in yard. Okay, okay, in yard, in yard. Okay, so we need more people now. Okay, we got like four people already. Let's go see this girl who's straight up flying without legs right now. Oh, with yeah, this girl is coming. Okay, she's coming. I better find more people. Ugh, this is just so crazy. By the way, I never been a cheerleader. I never been a cheerleader in a real life, and I never like. Come on, guys! I never been a cheerleader in a real life, and in game I am. So let's go with this. Go. Let's see. Hey, hey. Hello, girl. Hello. You're there? Okay, she wants talking to me. Okay, so let this class finish, guys, and I will come back later. Oh, do we need one more person? Oh, let's go with this girl. Let's go with this girl. Let's see. Let's go with this girl. I think she wants to know. Hi. Oh, guys, so it's lunch, and I thought I want to go to lunch. Okay, so like, come on, I have to eat. I'm a human also. So, wait, where am I going? Where am I going? Okay, so I hope everyone reminds the cheerleader thing. I hope, I hope. So, I think after lunch, probably is a cheerleader. Yeah, we can just say after lunch, I guess. Get to everyone. Well, okay, where are the cheerleader groups? There are some of them right there. Well, I guess no one doesn't want to be a cheerleader. I'm just saying from the chat. Okay, guys. Cheer tryouts are after school. Okay, guys. Cheer tryouts are after school. Okay, guys. Cheer tryouts are after school. Okay? Okay, I feel these people are interested, but because I wear the uniform. Not sure about other ones. Like, this girl was like right here, and now she's missing. And I'm not sure if that girl's gonna come also. Guys, cheer tryouts are cheer tryouts are after lunch. After lunch. After lunch. Okay, so cheer tryouts are after lunch. Who else? Cheer tryouts are after lunch. Cheer tryouts are after lunch. Cheer tryouts are after lunch, okay? It's in yard. In yard. In yard. So, okay, lunch. Okay, so yeah. Lunch is over and I'm waiting for people. Come here. So let's wait in this yellow circle. Okay. Let's see if anyone will come. If they're interested in cheer tryouts. Let's see. Where are people, guys? Okay, there one person's coming. One person's coming. The other person is coming. Okay, they're coming. They're coming. Okay, the other person's coming. Yay! I'm so happy. Cheer tryouts. Okay, one is already coming with the cheer tryouts. Wait, the poop thing. Okay, I guess Eva's the one only interested. Where are the other ones? 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 Cheer tryouts is now. Cheer tryouts is now. Where are you? Cheer tryouts is now. In yard. Yard. So better get ready. I'm still waiting for tryouts. It's just like, really weird as I'm awkward now. Okay, there we go. People are already coming out. We need more people who like to do it. Come fast, quick. Where are the others? Eva! Eva. Eva in the yellow. I'm lag. Mine is lagging. My god, mine is lagging. Are you serious? Guys, we meant to say it was working and when I just recorded. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start. Go to mode. Go to mode. Okay, but where this uniform? Okay, but where is this uniform? Why is mine lagging? This is so irritating. I wish I was my PC. My brother's playing my PC and I could not play my PC. So I'm right now playing my computer. I don't know why. This is the problem of my laptop. It keeps on lagging and lagging and lagging. So just pause. Okay, bravo guys, bravo. What? Go to mode and do bravo. Bravo. Go to mode and do bravo. Bravo. Go to mode and do bravo. Do bravo. Why is no one there? Do bravo, girl, bravo. Now wave. Now wave. Then twirl. Then twirl. Twirl. Go twirl. Erase. Twirl. Now chill. Now chill. 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 Do it chill. Now meditate. Now meditate. Then jump on it. Then jump on it. Running man. Running man. So guys, that's all I'm just doing for today's video because everyone's going, and yeah, have a great day. Bye bye. See you.